They don't tell you this, but the internet you know today was born in a Monty Python sketch from the 1970s. And what's even crazier, that same sketch predicted the internet's biggest problem, a problem we're drowning in right now. Back in 1970, Monty Python's Flying Circus aired a sketch about spam, yes, the canned meat, and it changed the world in ways no one could have imagined. Fast forward to today, and that sketch doesn't just explain the rise of the word spam. On the internet, it captures the deeper issue we all face online: too much noise, not enough meaning. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the internet or a can of spam the same way again. Here's the thing, the internet started as this incredible space for connection and creativity. It was human. It was messy. It was real. But something happened along the way. Somewhere between the rise of social media and the explosion of artificial intelligence, it became a spam cafe. And I'm not just talking about annoying emails. Think about your online experience. Every platform, every feed, it's all packed with content that feels the same trending topics, the same viral sounds, the same watch till the end hooks. It's endless, it's overwhelming, and let's be honest, it's empty. But how did we get here? Why does everything online feel so processed? And more importantly, what does this mean for our creativity, our connections, and even our sense of self? Let's rewind to 1970, Season 2, Episode 12 of Monty Python's Flying Circus. A husband and wife walk into a cafe, and the waitress starts listing the menu. Spam with eggs, spam with sausage, spam with spam. You get the idea. The wife says she doesn't like spam, but the Vikings in the cafe drown her out, chanting spam, 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 lovely spam. It's chaotic. It's absurd. And it's exactly what's happening to us on the internet right now. The birth of digital spam in the 1980s. As chat rooms and message boards started popping up, people began spamming each other by typing spam repeatedly, inspired by the sketch. The word quickly became shorthand for anything excessive, annoying, or irrelevant online. But back then, it was mostly harmless, just people trolling each other for fun. Fast forward to the 1990s, when email became a thing. Suddenly, spam wasn't just a joke, it was a problem. Marketers and scammers flooded inboxes with unwanted messages, and the internet started to feel a little less human. The algorithm era. But the real shift came with the rise of platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. These platforms didn't just host content, they controlled what you saw. They introduced algorithms, mathematical formulas, designed to keep you scrolling, clicking, and consuming. At first, this felt like a good thing. Algorithms showed us content we liked, connected us with creators we cared about. But over time, something changed. The algorithm stopped prioritizing what was meaningful and started prioritizing what was profitable. Creators began optimizing their content, not for their audience, but for the algorithm. They chased trends, copied each other, and pumped out videos, posts, and tweets as fast as they could. And what was once a space for genuine connection turned into a digital spam cafe. Enter generative AI now. We're in a new chapter. Generative AI has made it easier than ever to create content. Blogs, videos, even entire conversations can be generated by a machine in seconds. And while that sounds exciting, it's also terrifying. Why? Because the internet is already saturated with noise, and AI is only making it worse. Fake comments, fake posts, fake accounts, they're everywhere. And the line between real and fake is getting harder and harder to see. Here's where it gets existential. The problem isn't just that the internet is full of spam. The problem is that we've started to crave it. Think about it. How often do you scroll through TikTok or Instagram, watching video after video, barely remembering what you just saw? How often do you choose content that's easy, fast, and mindless over something that challenges you or makes you think? The truth is, the internet has rewired our brains. We've been trained to want quick dopamine hits, and creators, desperate for views, are feeding us exactly what we want: processed, predictable, and easy-to-digest content. But here's the catch. Just like eating nothing but fast food will wreck your body, consuming nothing but digital spam will wreck your mind. It numbs your creativity, disconnects you from others, and leaves you feeling empty. So, what's the solution? Do we delete our accounts and go live in the woods? Probably not. But we do need to start making conscious choices, both as creators and as consumers. As creators, we need to stop chasing trends and start creating content that's true to us, even if it doesn't go viral. And as consumers, we need to be more intentional about what we watch, read, and engage with. Because the internet isn't going anywhere, AI isn't going anywhere, spam isn't going anywhere, but that doesn't mean we have to let it control us. The Monty Python sketch ended with chaos. The Vikings kept chanting, the waitress kept shouting, and the couple never got their spam-free meal. But we don't have to let the internet end the same way. We can choose meaning over noise, depth over clicks, authenticity over algorithms. If you want to keep exploring ideas like this, hit the subscribe button and like this video.